Hey, welcome everybody. Today we're going to talk about our new DIY wrap and film kits for Cybertruck. And if you've been watching our Cybertruck content so far, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, thanks for tuning in. By now you know the Cybertruck is stainless steel. No paint, no color options. But the Cybertruck is also something new in that it's flat panels and sharp edges. And guess what? That makes putting film on this truck that much easier. Normally, when you apply film, whether it's vinyl wrap or paint protection film, PPF, it's challenging because of the curves on the surfaces. When you have a curved surface, like on a fender or a door or something, anytime there's a curve, you either have to shrink it or stretch the film. And that's somewhat of an art, and it takes a little bit of experience. Making a DIY project for this, pretty challenging. But now with Cybertruck, it's a flat panel. And it's that much more DIY friendly for putting film on it. So, hey, if you want to do professional installation of film, we will always do that at tsportline. You're welcome anytime. Come to our Los Angeles or Atlanta facilities, and we'd be happy to wrap your truck, put PPF on it, whatever you want. But if you want to save a little money, or maybe you can't get to our facility and you want to do this at home, we got a DIY kit for you, and it's launched today. It's official. We're shipping our first kit today. So let me walk you through how we got here and what exactly we're offering. We've been wrapping Teslas at tsportline for well over 10 years. Literally hundreds of Teslas have been wrapped here, and we're probably getting close to 1,000. So it's no surprise, after the delivery event, one of the first 10 owners of a Cybertruck reached out and said, hey, I want you guys to wrap the truck. This owner was also good enough to let us laser scan the truck. So we got a full digital model of the entire exterior surface of the truck. And then our engineering team started designing this kit. Let's take a look at how we did that. We are officially behind the curtain. Welcome to tsportline's engineering department. Let me introduce Cody Mayer. He's our VP of engineering. He's the one who's really tackling the design project here. So Cody, tell us a little bit about how you went from a Cybertruck in our facility into a DIY wrap kit.
Yeah, absolutely. So as soon as we got that first Cybertruck in, first thing we did was 3D scan the entire outside of the vehicle. So this gives us a three-dimensional model in the computer that we can dive into and get any dimension, any size that we need of really any part of the vehicle. So for these wrap kits specifically, basically what we did was extract the edges of each of the panels here. Luckily, they're mostly flat, straight edges. But as you can see, a lot of the bends get a little more complicated. They're not squares. The hood actually has a little bit of a curve to it. So our challenge was to go in, extract those edges, and turn it into two-dimensional templates that we're going to use for wrapping.
Wow. There's your Cybertruck origami right there.
Exactly. So this is the exact edge of each panel. So our next step is to take each individual panel, add the tabs, add the edges that we need for wrapping around the corners, which gives us the exact fit for each panel, so that when you or me or anybody at home goes to wrap the vehicle, there's no guessing, there's no checking. It's immediately perfect on the first go.
Nice, super cool stuff. I hope you guys liked seeing a little bit behind the scenes. A lot of effort went into this. We've got engineering expertise, all to make sure you get a precision fitment DIY kit. Good stuff. What can you expect from us? Obviously, a full set of CNC cut precision film plates for every panel on the Cybertruck. We also include whatever tools are needed for installation. Whether you're doing vinyl film, we have the proper tools for that, or you're doing the protection film, the stainless steel protection film, we'll have the right install tools for that. So you get a complete kit there. And then we also include some test sample panels. And we send you these because we want you to get familiar with the film. We want to have you test this on the Cybertruck and get your skill and your experience up a little bit. You use this, then you peel it off and throw it away, all before you get into the final film. Now, when you're doing the install, if you have any trouble, we have a DIY guide of videos, every single panel, step-by-step instructions. We'll give you those videos when you get the kit from us, and we'll walk you through how to do each panel. If you still run into issues, contact us. We'll put you in touch with our wrap technician, and we'll walk you through whatever the question or the issue is that you have. And then finally, if you really screw one up, reach out to us. We'll find a way to erase that mistake, replace some film, and get you back on track. A few tips for success. First of all, you need to do this in your garage. You can't do this in the driveway. Wind is not going to be your friend, and if the neighbor starts mowing the grass and dust blows over, it's going to ruin your day. So clean garage is number one. Number two is get a workspace set up. I like to use 2 of these folding tables, 6-foot, 9-foot tables. Grab 1 or 2 of those so you can lay out the film, get organized. 3 is the temperature. You can't do this when it's less than 75 degrees out. So you've got to be warm in your garage. Anything over 75 is good. Keep it clean, no wind. Then you need light. I would recommend getting an LED portable light. Then you can move it around the truck, put it on the floor, pick it up. You want to be able to see what you're doing, see the edges. And then finally, you need to be patient, you need to take your time, and you need to follow our instructions step by step. That's going to be the key to your success. All right, if you're ready, click the link up here. That'll take you to our website listing. And now it's time to start deciding, what do you want? Do you want a vinyl film? Would you want a stainless steel protection film? What color? We have all kinds of colors. Go ahead and pick out what you want. Place your order. We'll cut the kit fresh and we'll ship it to you. Now, if you don't know exactly what you want or what you need, select our design consultation option. And in that case, we can call you or FaceTime you with all of our color options, all of our film options, and help coach you through what exactly you need. All right, let's go look in the warehouse and see where we're at with these kits. Okay guys, we've got job number 1. I've got Tim, our warehouse manager. He's about ready to get this thing going. This is ready to go, right?
It's ready to go.
All right, the first one ships today. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. I appreciate you watching this video. Make sure you like the video. Drop a comment below. Let us know what color do you want on your Cybertruck. And make sure you subscribe to our channel. We got a lot more Cybertruck content and upgrades coming your way. Thanks, everybody.